Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Corry Guitar and to a not typical guitar song, absolutely not. This is a clubbing, feel-good vibe song from Corry. It's called Be Alright. So, it will be a quick one. We have 4 chords, 1 string pattern that goes in the same way through the entire song. No need for a capo, so let's go right into it with the 4 C, E minor, G, and A minor chords. Starting with C, that goes 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We have E minor next. That will be open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. G coming up there, and that will be 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, 3rd E, and the final chord is A minor. And that will be open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Okay, so I mentioned 1 string pattern. If you grab the first chord C, 1 round will be down, down, clap, down. And it goes pretty fast, so something like that, all right? So down, down, clap, down. You're gonna play the chord progression C, E minor, G, A minor. The same way we learned the chord. You're gonna play 2 string rounds per chord from the beginning till the very end, like this. Again, C, E minor, G, and A minor. Alright, so you're gonna follow Corry on the ocean, food markets, and everywhere to feel good. This is a song like that. Be alright. I hope you enjoyed it, guys. And until next time, play tuned.